Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on autosave in VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So turning on autosave is one of the best ways to minimize losing your changes that you have made on your code in case of any disruption or power outage. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. To do this, open your VS Code and then go to settings here on manage, and under it you should see settings. And from here, choose commonly used, and under it we have file autosave here. Here you're told control autosave of editors that have unsaved changes. You can see currently it is turned to off. If you click on it, we have an option to autosave after delay or on focused changes or on Windows changes, as you wish. Click on the one that suits you, and that is it. You'll have turned it on. So that's how you can turn on autosave in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.